If you are new to FTX and if you are wondering how to sign in to FTX account, this is the video for you. Today I'm going to help you learn how to sign in to FTX account. Hello, my name is Priya and welcome back to my channel. Let's get right to it and learn how to sign in to FTX. First, open your FTX application and then tap on the settings icon on top of your right corner. Then tap on settings, tap on sign in, and here you will either have to enter your username or the email address that you have associated with this account. Now enter your password. When you are done, tap on sign in. And now you will have to open your email. And yes, there is a message from FTX. They're trying to make sure that it's me. Open the message and tap on Open FTX. And there you are, you're signed in to FTX account. And now you can enjoy all the services. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.